Crypto family, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here, coming back at you with another cryptocurrency video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day. What's going on, guys? There's been some big drama in the crypto space over the past 2 days with the SEC coming out and putting lawsuits on Binance, on Coinbase, targeting a lot of the top altcoins out there, Cardano, Polygon, Solana, saying a lot of these cryptos out there are unregistered securities. And one thing I want to say is if you do hold Bitcoin, if you're just a Bitcoiner, you don't have all these other altcoins, you really shouldn't be too concerned about this, because the chairman of the SEC, Gary Gensler, in the past has says Bitcoin is a commodity. A lot of the senators in Congress believe that Bitcoin is a commodity. And also the CFTC has said that Bitcoin is a commodity. And actually looking at this here, this is a part of the lawsuit that the CFTC filed. They say that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are commodities in the United States. So very interesting to see the CFTC say that these three cryptos are commodities. This is definitely good for Bitcoin. This is definitely good for Litecoin, and would be great for Ethereum. But one thing I do not understand is how is the SEC targeting some of these other cryptos like ADA, like Solana, like some of these altcoins built on top of Ethereum, but Ethereum isn't considered an unregistered security itself? Doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. And, the United States government, they don't really understand crypto, so that makes sense that they would mess this up. But Ethereum had the ICO, just like all these other coins like Cardano. They're proof of stake, just like Cardano and Solana and these other altcoins. So they should fit in that same category as not a commodity, but an unregistered security. But that is just my two thoughts on all of the drama that's been going on over the past 2 days. And I just want to get into some of these on-chain charts here. We're going to be checking out some of these charts here from Glassnode. And if you guys are interested in getting an account with Glassnode, I would highly recommend that. We'll have an affiliate link in the description below and also in the comment section below. You can get 10% off of any purchases, but make sure just to sign up, because they do have a free tier that you don't have to pay to see. But right here, guys, you can see the hash rate has continued to go up and up and up. And normally when the hash rate goes up, the price of Bitcoin tends to follow. It's continued to hit new all-time highs even during this multi-year bear market that we've been in. But definitely good to see that the miners are continuing to power on and continuing to secure the network. And let's check out some of these wallets. You can see this is the Bitcoin number of addresses with a balance of greater than 10,000 Bitcoin. It's continued to go up and up and up over the past 2 years. We're currently sitting at around 116 wallets with over 10K Bitcoin. So the whales are accumulating Bitcoin right now. The big whales are, you can see the addresses of Bitcoin with a balance of greater than 1K. These have actually fallen down and have not recovered since March of 2022. So that's been going down a bit there. And then addresses with a balance of 100. We're seeing some accumulation here over the past couple of months for balances over 100. Addresses with balances greater than 10, that's hitting all-time highs. Addresses with balances greater than 1, that's hitting all-time highs. Addresses with balance greater than 0.1, that's also hitting all-time highs. Greater than 0.01 is hitting all-time highs, and non-zero balances, basically all wallets, are hitting all-time highs. So we're just seeing more and more people come into the crypto space. The whales are accumulating right now. The retail investors are accumulating right now during this bear market while Bitcoin prices are low. And all this really means here, guys, is just more and more Bitcoin wallets. It's just people are starting to understand Bitcoin more and more people are buying into the Bitcoin network, believing in BTC. And the Bitcoin bros believe this will cause a supply shock in the future as people continue to buy the dip, continue to hold Bitcoin in cold storage. As we can see right here, this is the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. Over the past 2 years, this has absolutely plummeted. And this is actually something we have not seen in past bear markets. Let me zoom out here for you guys. If we look at the all chart here, we can see the Bitcoin balance on exchanges peaked in March of 2020. And even during the bear market of 2018, 2019, when Bitcoin was at around 20,000 all the way down to around 3,800, the Bitcoin balance on exchanges was going up and up and up. It wasn't until early 2020 we saw that trend reverse. And since 2022, late 2022, the Bitcoin balance on exchanges has continued to plummet. And this is just people understanding not your keys, not your crypto. Get your Bitcoin off of exchanges. People have came to learn this through trial and error of Celsius. We saw them go under. A lot of people lost their funds with Celsius. FTX, they went under. A lot of people lost their funds with FTX. And now we're seeing all of this FUD drama with Binance and Coinbase. Just yesterday, the SEC came out and told Binance US, hey, you guys got to freeze your assets. So there's a lot of drama with that. If you got your crypto on Binance, Binance US, Coinbase, any exchange, get a hardware wallet, put your crypto on there, and hold your own keys, guys. That's the best way to hold your crypto. Don't let any of these exchanges take your Bitcoin and leverage it out so they can make money on your crypto. And if you don't have a cold storage wallet, you have Cold Card and Blockstream Jade. Those are Bitcoin-only wallets. You have Ledger and Treasure. Those are crypto wallets where you can put your crypto in cold storage. Wouldn't really recommend Ledger. They have been doing some shicey stuff here over the past couple of weeks. Treasure is also a good option. So you guys have a lot of options out there. There have been a lot of new cold devices that have came out here over the past couple of weeks because of the drama with Ledger. So make sure to check out some of those guys. But with all this drama that's been going on, one thing we want to just say here is just look at the price of Bitcoin here. It's at $26,346. And Bitcoin dominance is actually up to 46%. And one thing I want to say here, guys, is if you've been in the market for any amount of time, Bitcoin bros have been here for 6 years. If you were to say to us 5 years ago the SEC is going to come on and have a full-fledged attack on cryptocurrency, trying to shut down exchanges, deem cryptos unregistered securities, we wouldn't think the market would be at where it is today at around a $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin sitting at around $26,000. I mean, it's really just crazy to think about when we got into the market back in 2016, Bitcoin was sitting at around $1,000 and now it's at 26,000. And it's looking stronger than ever. It really does look unstoppable, guys. You know, Bitcoin is definitely the safe haven of the crypto market. It doesn't seem like the king will ever be dethroned because of the tokenomics, because of the centralization, because people view it as digital gold, because there's no creator. It just doesn't look like it's ever going to fall off. And if all these cryptos do get deemed unregistered securities and they get taken off some of these exchanges like BNB, Cardano, Solana, we could see some of these other proof of work cryptos like Litecoin, Dogecoin, some of the older ones potentially come back up and get into that top 10 again. That would be interesting to see, but that's something we're going to have to wait to see for, guys. You know, we like crypto. We definitely talk about other altcoins on our channel. We always recommend you guys to definitely have more of your portfolio in a crypto like Bitcoin because it is the safe haven asset of the crypto space. I mean, the SEC chair and the CFTC has that as a commodity. The rest of the cryptos out there, we really don't know. We can speculate on some of them like Ethereum, like Litecoin. Bitcoin is definitely the only one that they both come on and said, hey, this is definitely a commodity. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Aaron from the Bitcoin Bros. If you found any value, make sure to hit that like button. We'll definitely have more videos coming out in the future, so make sure to check those out. But I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.